Petunia and Dotty, wag and sway, sunshine friends all day. Go explore, then back again, best friends till the end. I think my nose feels funny. It might be the pollen. The what? The tiny bits that float from flowers. I have an idea. What does that do? It goes up and down, like my sneezes, a little like that. I love to teeter. That feels better. Your body just needed a rhythm. Your sneezes were fast and they are gone. Thank you, Dotty. You listen to your body, and you help me hear it. You're my best friend. Petunia the pup goes wandering through, sniffing the sky so soft and blue. Dotty the flower sways hello. Stay for a while? Okay, let's go! Petunia and Dotty, wag and sway, sunshine friends all day. Go explore, then back again, best friends till the end!